Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or working in Chrome, capturing full web pages shouldn't be complicated. What if you could capture everything in just one click? Meet Capture Full Page, your one-click solution for perfect screenshots. And here's the best part. It works entirely locally, so your data never leaves your browser. Getting started takes just 10 seconds. Install the extension, pin it to your toolbar, and you're ready to go. Click the icon, choose between visible screen or full page capture, and your screenshot is saved instantly. No complex settings, no registration required, just pure functionality. Capture full page, fast and secure. Designers, marketers, and developers are already saving time with it. Join them today. Install now from the Chrome Web Store, link in the description.